friends. Welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. Come along with us as we check out Cars Land for Christmas and Disney California Adventure. Our first stop on the Mother Road is Mater's Jingle Jamboree.
Just about to ride, Matthew.
Let's go.
Hey, Radiator Springs is rocking for the holiday.
Hey.
It's cold. So yeah, Radiator Springs is
They're about to witness.
holiday. It's cold.
Tried to.
Cars Land is one of the most immersive, decorated lands in all of Disney parks, in my opinion. Check out these posters from movies, but they have cars starring in them, and they're oh so punny. Love it. The Cozy Cone, they offer both sweet and savory treats. Definitely is always a must stop for us. This time we're checking out some of the holiday offerings.
Okay, so what is this? Holiday something?
Pesto bowl. Best thing they've ever had here. Better than the mac and cheese by far.
Are you kidding me? Better than the mac and cheese with bacon.
Way better.
It's so good.
It's pesto, Alfredo, real chicken chunks. It's super good.
Oh, it's got chicken too. Let me see.
In addition to those warm bread cones that are so delicious, Cozy Cone also has ice cream. So we tried the holiday offering. It was a mint ice cream shaped like a Christmas tree with a little star on top. So cute. Buckle up, my friends. We're about to ride Radiator Springs Racers.
racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to be ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey. It's easy. You sneak up on me. Ready? Come and drink it.
Visitors on this planet.
Yippee!
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Okay.
For you, my friend, only the best. Think up, always has. Look, oh, wonderful times. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to run a race. I'm here to cruise.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious
Hold on to your
life. Uno for the money, you will focus. Try to get ready and go on.
Did you know that Radiator Springs Racers is the most expensive ride ever built in Disney California Adventure? Well, it is, and I think it was worth every penny. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for coming along with us as we checked out Cars Land at Christmas. Please let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of this video was, and if you've ever been to Cars Land. Please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, so you don't miss anything Disney or anything the Mickey Bunch. Thanks again for watching. We wish you a blessed and magical day, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye-bye.